Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change mouse polling rate on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the iCUE, which is the Corsair app. We're going to go over and make sure that we select our M65. Click on the gear icon right here. Now we got our USB wired polling rate, and here we can change it. So of course, remember that a higher polling rate can decrease your frames per second. And because just the mouse just gets more info all the time, it's just refreshing a lot faster. The default one I always use is either 1000 or 2000. If I'm crazy enough, I'll put 4 or 8, but it's just a rare occasion because I wouldn't recommend just putting it up so high. As you guys can see, they use additional system processing power. So of course, as you guys can see, a minimum of Intel's i7 9th generation or AMD's Ryzen 7 2nd generation processor or equivalent is required for the best 8,000 Hz hyper polling rate. So you will get this warning for 2000, so there's only that it's using additional processing power. For 4000, you also get i5 9th generation or Ryzen 5 2nd. And if you get that processor, then you can of course click select anyway, and now it's changing. So now when we go back to the gear icon, we got our USB wired polling rate to 8000. I'll change it back to 1000 because this is the default option and I've already got myself into it. So this is like my main polling rate, but that's how you guys can change it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.